Hello everybody! Today we're going to unbox and take a close-up look at the Nike MX90 Premium. So let's first take a look around the outside of the box. So in this box is a pair of Nike MX90 Premium shoes, and this pair is in the men's UK size 9, US 10, Europe 44, Brazil 42, 28 cm, and it's also in a women's US size 11.5, and this pair is in the Flax gum-like brown wheat colourway. And now let's go ahead and open up the box by flipping up the box lid to reveal the contents inside. And of course let's peel back the wrapping paper to reveal the Nike MX90 Premium in the Flax gum-like brown wheat colourway. And let's lift the pair out from the box and set them on the tabletop. And just closing the box back up and setting it on the left hand side of the tabletop, and giving you that initial look of the pair of Nike MX90 Premium shoes. And let's set the right shoe in the background as we focus on the left shoe first. So just tidying up the laces, just tucking them into the shoes and just making some adjustments so it doesn't interfere with the foreground as we take a look at the left shoe of this Nike MX90 Premium. So giving you a look at the shoe, and let's do a 360 rotation before we take much closer in looks at its details. And now taking a much closer in look at its details so we can see the overall monochrome brown colorway of the shoe, or that tonal brown colorway of the upper combined with the sole and midsole of the shoe in that brown hue or tone. So giving you a close-up look to the upper of the shoe, we can see that it does have very fine leather details or leather panels for the vamp, as well as the mudguard and the middle layer between the vamp and the mudguard. So very fine details, suede according to Nike's details, product details, but to me it does appear more like nubuck. But nonetheless, giving you a look at those panels or the material, so super smooth. You can see no nap at all or any fibers to the matte smooth details of the leather throughout the shoe. So the overall Flax colorway of the shoe with the wheat details of the Nike swoosh. So giving you a look at that Nike swoosh. And once again, very smooth to the touch. And the overall matte or nubuck finish, or otherwise maybe perhaps as Nike details it as premium suede. And we can see in the mudguard window the Amex logo molded into that TPU panel right there, and of course the Max Air unit or airbag visible right across the sole of the shoe in that midsole wedge. And we can see that it is coloured with matching details as well on the inside. And of course, continuing on towards the back or heel of the shoe, so you see the wheat TPU molded Nike Air heel panel. And turning towards the inner side of the shoe, once again we see those smooth leather panels making up the upper of the shoe, and a tonality of the various brown, wheat or flax details. And of course once again giving you a look at that air bubble or Max Air unit cushioning and the Air Max branding in that midsole cutout or window. And of course, with the top eye stay and the lower eye stay, both TPU panels or sections in what appears to be flax or a very pale brown. Now back towards the front of the shoe, once again we see those very smooth details and layering of the various panels. So just giving it a brush with my fingers so you can see just how the various leather panels respond to the touch or brushing. Now let's take a look from the front tip or toe of the shoe and slowly moving towards the back so you can see the details along the length of this Nike Air Max 90 Premium. So taking a look at the tongue, we see the Nike branding details with the Nike swoosh and Air Max branding on that square patch with matching coloured stitching. And with the tongue, so it is thick with a medium level of firmness to the padding or bolstering. And of course taking a look at the label behind the tongue, and of course the texture and lining details as well. So right there giving you a look at those details. And of course with the ankle and heel collar, it does have a very deep amount of padding going towards the sole of the shoe or nearing the sole or sock liner of the shoe. And it does have a light to medium level of thickness as well as firmness, and right consistent around the ankle as well as the heel. And of course giving you a look at the composition sticker or materials label on the sock liner or insole right there, and of course the various details around the inside of the shoe. Alright, and now let's take a look at the bottom or sole of the shoe. So you can see the overall gum light brown rubber waffle sole. It's right there. The chunky tread blocks of the sole as well as the Nike branding around the midfoot section. And of course the flex grooves as well in the forefoot area of the sole's design. And to give you some sense of this rubber waffle sole's design or texture, just dragging my finger along its surface. And tapping my finger nail on it as well. And of course, giving you a look at that full midsole as well. Just pressing and squeezing on it. And now let's do a flexibility, bend and twist test with my hands to give you some sense of the shoe's pliability, stiffness or firmness. And now just stretching or puffing the shoe back in shape. And now let's take a look at the right shoe, so setting the left shoe down, and in the background as we take a look at the right shoe, and let's do a 360 rotation with this side as well for that initial look. And of course the close-up details. Once again, we see the overall tonal brown design of the shoe. And once again, that Nike Max Air unit with that straight through airbag from the left to the right of the sole. And of course, once again, the TPU sections of the shoe with the Nike Air branding on the heel panel, as well as the Air Max branding on both sides of that mudguard cutout, and as well as the top and lower eye stays of the shoe. So once again, the tonal qualities of the brown colorway design, or flax, gum-like brown, and wheat. And of course, let's take a look around the inside details of the shoe. So once again, we see the Nike Air branding on the insole or sock liner, and the overall medium level of bowstring and thickness for the padding for the tongue and ankle and heel collars. And now let's take a look at the shoe together, side by side. And from the front to the back. Directly from the back. And the rubber waffle soles of the shoes. So that's Nike Air Max 90 Premium. Thanks for watching and happy walking!